Almost 1,000 feet below this Kansas prairie lies one of the richest salt deposits in the world. Discovered accidentally in 1887 while drilling for natural gas, the Rice County Handbook recorded the event as follows. At a depth of 785 feet, the company struck a homogeneous mass of clear, white, crystallized rock salt, 250 feet in thickness, and the accompanying analysis shows the purest found anywhere in the world. By the turn of the century, a number of mines and processing plants had sprung up on the Kansas plains to take advantage of this rich resource. Two of the plants, one located in Hutchinson and the other in Lyons, have grown and developed over the years. The Lyons and Hutchinson plants have had several owners since their inception. In 1988, they both became members of the Harris Chemical Group, and they now make up the core of North American Salt Company's Kansas operations. These two plants create a combined output of over 500,000 tons of salt products every year. Salt is an amazing substance. The human body requires salt to live, but only 2 to 4% of the salt manufactured in the U.S. is consumed in food. Sodium chloride, salt, is used in over 14,000 products and processes. Salt touches the lives of everyone in more ways than you can imagine. Because of our commitment to being an industry leader, North American Salt Company has implemented a total quality process. This process enables us to provide the highest value products to our customers. We are dedicated to continually meeting customer expectations by providing value, pursuing continuous improvement in our products, involving our workforce through training and communication so that they take pride in the products they produce. And we are committed to the safety of our employees and complete compliance to all environmental regulations. Our total quality process objective is to be valued by our customers, respected by our employees, and acknowledged as the most dynamic industrial minerals company. Millions of years ago, an inland sea covered this part of North America. As the sea evaporated, it deposited huge layers of salt that now lie beneath the surface of these plains. This part of Kansas contains enough salt to supply the United States for 3,500 years at current consumption rates. North American Salt Company retrieves the salt left under the earth with a solution mining process. Over the years, the equipment has changed, but the process remains the same. Water is pumped down an injection well into the salt formation. As the water travels through the formation, it dissolves the salt. This saturated solution travels to the surface and is captured at a recovery well. More than 40 wells feed the plants at our Kansas operation. The brine captured from the wells is kept in giant storage tanks before it begins its journey through the plant. North American Salt Company uses a closed-loop process for the creation of all the salt products made here in Kansas. A closed loop means zero discharge. All of the water used in the process is recirculated and reused. Also, no chemical or hazardous wastes are created during mining and manufacturing. The evaporation process begins by passing the brine through a series of evaporator pans. Pressurized steam is fed into the vacuum-sealed evaporators. As the water evaporates, the heavier salt crystals fall into the bottom of the evaporator. The slurry is then pumped into a wash tank where the purity is improved. Next, the salt travels to a rotary drum filter where it is dried. The salt is heated in natural gas-fired dryers to about 240 degrees Fahrenheit. These natural gas-fired dryers remove the remainder of the moisture from the raw salt. This entire process from wellhead to dryer takes less than 2 hours. 24 hours later, the salt will be ready to ship. A screening process helps divide the salt into various grades and then distributes it to the proper storage bin. Salt comes in a variety of shapes and colors, from our premium food-grade salts to block and pellet grades to industrial and agricultural salts. Each grade of salt has its own special application. Nowhere is North American Salt Company's commitment to sanitary conditions more evident than in the production of their food-grade products. Random quarterly inspections by several independent inspection groups, including the American Sanitation Institute and the American Institute of Baking, ensure cleanliness and sanitation. North American Salt Company also invites all of their customers to inspect the facilities at any time. The Hutchinson plant contains a state-of-the-art round can packaging line. This unique series of machines actually creates the round can package, fills it with salt product, then labels and packages the product in cases. This entire process takes place in only a matter of minutes. These pure and clean products find their way into households all over North America. We're proud of the quality that goes into our food-grade products. We know that you and your customers will appreciate the North American Salt Company difference. In addition to the food-grade products produced by North American Salt Company, an entire line of water conditioning products are also manufactured. Pellets and mini-cube products for water softening systems are created by high-pressure compactors. 2,000 pounds of pressure per square inch is used to create solid sheets of compacted salt. The sheets are then broken into pellet-sized pieces for packaging. An automated bagging line allows us to bag salt in 25, 40, 50, and 80-pound bags. These bags can be customized for private label programs and shipped to any destination by North American Salt Company. Whether you are using pellets, mini cubes, or rock salt, North American Salt Company products are guaranteed to perform in any water conditioning system. North American Salt Company creates a number of products for agricultural applications. Block products are created by high-pressure compacting devices. Our block products serve a wide range of uses in agricultural markets. North American Salt Company creates several combinations of salt blocks with mineral supplements for livestock. We have plenty of warehouse space at our Kansas operations, but we empty it every 2 to 3 days. That means 800 tons per day leave the Hutchinson plant, and over 1,200 tons of product leave the Lyons plant every day. For customers that require bagged bulk shipments, North American Salt Company utilizes 2,000-pound IBC nylon totes. Bulk salt products can be loaded into tanker trucks or railroad cars. And of course, pallets of North American Salt Company products can be loaded and shipped via truck and rail. Natural salt products created in a closed-loop facility, a clean and sanitary system working in harmony with nature. North American Salt Company is dedicated to quality. Our total quality process is an ever-rounding circle. It is built into everything we do and every product we make. North American Salt Company is the industry leader in the production of pure and natural salt products. Committed to our customers, committed to improving our products and the safety of our workforce, and committed to the environment. We want to be your supplier of salt products now and in the 21st century.